The first module I'm starting off with is Module 2, which is about race and ethnicity. And one of the connections I made with this one was educational equity and between culturally responsive pedagogy, because it is important for students to not feel as though their education is not being treated as equally as others due to the color of their skin or what income their parents are bringing in. And also, another connection I made was between privilege and gender. And I made this connection because some genders benefit more through societal rules than other genders do. And some people have genders that people are not accepting of or not aware of, and that should not take into effect their educational needs as well. And both of these are important for my future job because it's important for me to not treat my students unequally or treat them unfairly due to any of those factors as well. And another connection I made was between the next connection I made in Module 4 was this example. Men are not supposed to cry or show emotions to stereotype. And I made that connection because that is a stereotype on that gender of men. And it also is a stereotype for women because we are supposed to be emotional beings. And the next connection I made was between heterosexuality, homosexuality, Buddhism, and Sikhism, which is right here. And I made these connections because those are all minority groups who are not seen as equal as others, because the biggest religion we have is Christianity, and heterosexuality is the most common form of sexuality that we acknowledge. And the next connection I made was between religious diversity, LGBT inclusive, and least restricted environment. And I made this connection because it is very important for each child to be able to go to school and feel as though they are not being left out or excluded, and they should feel included in everything that is being done. And they should also be around other students as well and not feel as though they're only around people that they fit certain criteria. They should feel like they're with a huge diverse group of people. And all of these connections I made are important to my future job because I need to learn how to only think of the child and their educational needs instead of trying to help students based off of stereotypes or the color of their skin or any other societal standards that are set to put other students at a disadvantage.